Cheek and chin contour is one of our signature filler treatments that helps add contour to the face. This procedure adds structure and definition to the cheekbones, improves the shape of the chin by altering the height, projection, and width, allowing us to make a chin either more masculine or more feminine. Cheek and chin contour is great for men and women looking to improve their facial shape. This procedure is ideal for individuals with a round or square facial shape. People with these facial shapes often have undefined chins with bottom-heavy cheeks. By using filler to add structure to the cheekbones and height to the chin, we can take a round facial shape and give it a more heart, diamond, or athletic shape. This treatment is often complemented by our facial slimming enhancer, which uses neuromodulator to slim the face and further enhance the contours we create with this treatment. To complete this procedure, patients will need a minimum of 2 visits for final results. Learn more about our cheek and chin contour treatment by checking out some of our other videos or reviewing some of the mini cases on our website.